We've attempted to automate the entire design process at Northwind. How do you figure out how to make the work as easy as possible? To take the jobs that we have to do here at Northwind and simplify them, take out the repetitive nature of them. Our goal was to find something that was database driven, and ePlan is a database-centric program.
The ePlan Engineering Center offers the opportunity for writing APIs that connect ePlan to outside softwares, and certainly QuickLogix is an excellent example of that.
Up front, when we're generating the drawings, we have tools like EEC1 that help us quickly generate those drawing sets using all of the macros that are built into ePlan. We can interact with the shop in that we can get prices for our parts that import into the ePlan to help us select parts. We can export bill of materials to get ordered quickly. We can export information to help build the projects like Perforex information, the WT machine information, smart wiring, all that stuff. We also interface with the programmers. We can build QuickLogix files, which is our internal software out of ePlan, and that helps us to quickly set up all of the equipment for the program and assign I/O for those devices. There's a lot of automating that helps to speed up that process quite a bit, and it also eliminates errors in not copying all that information from the drawings, but being a direct export.
Once you kind of master that data, you're able to drive it out and get so much more value out of it.
There's very few projects that are actually the same every time. I mean, it's very much a high mix, low volume scenario here. The integration between ePlan and those machines is kind of a key piece of all that. We had somewhere in the neighborhood of about 5 people building panels. Right now we have that same number in the shop, but we're also doing approximately double the enclosures in a year than what we were. The other big thing is probably the panel quality.
The best thing for me is that it is really efficient, but it also helps with quality control on everything. Things like exporting for the programmers, all of that data entry would be redundant otherwise.
When you run a back panel on our Perforex, all the wire shavings actually fall off of there. We can sweep it off. There's no chance of ever having one of those fall into the top of your drive and then blow up a $10,000 drive. And then you go all the way down to like the push-in terminal. You pair those with ferrules, and now a plant doesn't have as much maintenance later on. They don't have things that are loosening up over time as you have those interactions with vibration and thermal expansion or whatever. I mean, all that stuff is the unseen benefits that someone is getting out of all this.
I think I've been in something north of 400 control panel manufacturers in this country. Northwind belongs to a very small group of companies that are really adapting this advanced vision for where they want to go.